guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and as you can see by the title, this is going to be my 1 week thoughts and review on this hair. So yeah, let's just get right into it. First off, I will say the older that this hair gets, the more natural it starts to look. Yeah, like it gets a little bit more frizzy, and that's not a bad thing. Like frizzy, like the frizziness helps to make it look more natural, because of course natural hair is not going to be perfect little curls. It's not going to be that neat. It's going to have some frizz to it. So the older that it gets, the more natural that it looks. So I really like that. As far as like tangling and shedding, it does tangle. Of course, it's curly hair and it's synthetic. Of course, it's going to tangle. But it doesn't bother me, because it's not like you're gonna comb this hair every day. So like the tangling really doesn't matter. See, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, because I mean, it's curly. Like, I mean, who's gonna pay attention to that? Shedding, it sheds a little bit, of course, because it's curly synthetic hair. It sheds a little bit. So yeah, lately, like styling it, I've just been like, I have one little bun right here, but usually I have it in like 2 little space buns. That's how I've been wearing it, because it is so hot, y'all. Like, I'm in Texas and it's like 105 degrees right now, so it's just like too hot to have it like all my hair out. So I would like it out of my face. So yeah, that's how I've been wearing it, and it still looks extremely natural. Like, I just have the front part in a bun, and see, you can see like this is where the it's crocheted at, but this hair covers that, so you see, like you can't tell that it's crochet. It still looks natural. But anyway, like, I have people asking me, is this my natural hair? Like, how long have I been growing my hair out? Blah blah blah. And I'm like, yeah, I've been growing out for like 3 years, you know. Just kidding. But seriously, like, people think this is my natural hair. I'm like, no, it's crochet, honey. It's crochet. So yeah, so far I've had it in a week, and I plan on wearing it a few more weeks, and I do plan on washing it very soon, because my scalp, you know, I can tell that my scalp needs to be clean, because I have been like, y'all know, if you watch my other videos, you know the braid spray that I used. I sprayed that on my scalp and like on the cornrows, and then I will go through with like an oil and oil my scalp and massage it in. Now over time, that's going to start building up, so I do want to clean my scalp. So let me know if you want to see that or how I do that. Also, if I'm styling it a different way, like if I was to take this out, it would be a little bit tangles and probably a little shedding, and all I do is like clip that off. Like, it would be like this, and all I would do, can't really see, just take scissors and just clip that off. And that's all I do. If I get like tangles or like shedding little pieces, that's all I do. Seriously, this hair is low maintenance, and for sleep, the only thing I do is take a large bonnet that I got from my beauty supply store. It's called a jumbo bonnet, and I just put that on my head and go to sleep, and that's it. I have not put any mousse in this hair. I have not wet this hair. Like, I don't have to do anything to this hair but wake up. I'll lay my edges and I go. Like, that's it. I really don't want to take my hair down out of this little bun, because it's like, I think it's like super cute. So yeah, I don't think y'all really need to see when I take it down, like, because I worked hard on this style. But if you do want to see a tutorial on how I style this hair, let me know in the comments below. And it's like y'all be liking my videos, but y'all don't need comments. Like, leave me comments. Like, that helps me to help you guys. Like, I need to know what you like and what you want from me next. Like what content do you guys want to see from me? So seriously, y'all, like, please comment below anything, or if you have any questions, comment. I try to leave like everything in the description box. But yeah, you guys, and be sure to follow me on my Instagram so you can see all the cute little ways and pictures that I've taken with this hair, so you can get a better idea. I'm running out of breath. So you can get a better idea of how this hair is going to look. I have a few pictures on my Instagram of me wearing this hair, and I just love it, y'all. Okay, and I'll insert a picture here of me wearing it, and here of me wearing it, and here again, here's a different one of me wearing it. So yeah, this hair is bomb, y'all. So yeah, so far I've had it in a week and it looks freaking good. Let me turn around. Try to turn around. But yeah, and I'm pretty sure that y'all can see that it looks more natural than when I first installed it. Like, it looks so good, y'all. So now I'm currently trying to figure out what style that I want to do next. So comment something that you guys want to see. Any more crochet? Do you want more natural hair styles, or just more braids, or what do you guys want to see from me? So yeah, I think I've covered everything. I think I covered everything in this video. So yeah, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.